Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to break down how our SKU numbers work so that you can quickly identify any product in our lineup just by looking at its SKU number. Every SKU is made of up to 4 parts, and once you know the pattern, it's easy. From left to right, a SKU tells you the product grade, the product type, the width of the product in inches, and the length in feet. Let's go through each one. Product grade comes first. If you see a SKU that starts with CT, that's a premium Cobra Tan product. If it starts with SG, that's our premium Shale Green product. And if there's no prefix at all, that means it's our standard black. Right after the product grade, you'll see the product type. For example, SGW means Sidewinder, SNB means Snakebite, and Pig means Pig Cover. The one exception is that Snake Wrap has no code, just like our standard black with no grade prefix. So if you see a SKU with no letter prefix at all, you're looking at a standard black Snake Wrap. For a full list of our product codes, check out our catalog on our website. After the grade and product codes, the remaining numbers are the dimensions. The first number is the product's width in inches, and the second number is its length in feet. The width is always 2 digits, and so is the length. So the dimension portion of every SKU is exactly 4 digits total. Now let's try a couple of examples. Let's say we want to break down this SKU right here. Let's look at the first 2 letters and see that it is SG. That means it's our Shale Green product. The next 3 letters are SDW, meaning that it is a Sidewinder. Following that, we have 12, which means that it's 12 inches wide, and 05, which means that it's 5 feet long. So this is a Shale Green Sidewinder that is 12 inches wide and 5 feet long. For this one, we can see that it starts with CT, meaning that it's Cobra Tan. The following 2 letters are RH, which means that it is a riser hood. Then we see 1201, which is 12 inches wide and 1 foot tall. Now, all we've got here is a 1205, meaning that it's our standard black, and it's our most popular product, the Snake Wrap. So this would be a 12 inch wide, 5 foot long Snake Wrap in black. If we wanted this standard black Snake Wrap to be Cobra Tan instead, you would just add the Cobra Tan prefix, CT1205. And that's all there is to it. Now you have everything you need to decode any SKU in our product line. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team, and thanks for watching.